everybody. My name is Dana Nahai. I am a registered dietitian nutritionist. I've been in practice for almost 20 years, and I started this web series to answer questions queried from the internet that are similar to the same questions I've been answering for patients, family members, friends, neighbors, strangers on the street for almost 2 decades now. Because a lot of those questions are similar. So one of the main concerns that I always pick up from people is that when you're ready to start living healthfully, you want it yesterday. So knowing that you want to change fast, knowing that you're motivated and you want to make a difference in your day to day, how can you, no matter where you are in your day and your week, begin living more healthfully through dietary choice now? So in the last, I guess, a couple web series ago, I talked about the importance of how much produce you're eating at breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And I used the example of a dinner plate, okay? And so if these are, there it is, 2 hands together, side by side, the circumference of that is your dinner plate or breakfast. One hand is a snack, okay? Got it? So half of the snack is produce, half of the dinner plate is produce, okay? Or if it's breakfast, it's fruit or, spinach and tomatoes and an omelet if you have time for that. So what's on the other half, okay? So when we're talking about this model, I can't get it, there we go, where this is your dinner plate and half of it is produce. The other half is going to be a quarter protein and a quarter concentrated carbohydrate, okay? So let's say now you're at work, you've got the lunch cafeteria waiting for you, or you're at home tonight and you're staring into your refrigerator trying to figure out what you're gonna make for dinner. Okay, so what is going to compile that plate? Now, first of all, that plate, it can be all mixed up together. It doesn't have to be portioned out in the same way that you might do so for a toddler. So in the case of, let's say you're having a pasta dish tonight, and let's say you have some leftover rotisserie chicken. Okay, so again, the sum total of that plate is going to be half produce, whether it's salad, whether it's sauteed vegetables. It's going to be a quarter of, hopefully, whole wheat pasta. But I know that doesn't always taste good. So don't be afraid of the white if that's what you prefer. And then a quarter protein. So maybe some rotisserie chicken. Maybe it's going to be a couple of eggs. Maybe it's going to be a quarter cup of grated Parmesan cheese. All of those would suffice for your protein. Beans could be a rinsed and dried can of beans. So that's how the proportion size works when we're talking about what I refer to as the healthy plate rule, okay? When it comes to a snack, that could be a cup of Greek yogurt and some fresh fruit. That could be a handful of raw nuts and fresh fruit. That could be hummus and, cut up carrot sticks, cucumbers, what do you like? So that's a way, no matter if you're at a restaurant, no matter if you're at a lunch cafeteria, if you've been invited to somebody else's home for dinner, lucky you, or if you are staring blankly into your refrigerator at the end of the day, that you can compile a healthy plate with the proportions of nutrients that your body needs without overdoing it, okay? And if you're hungry, if you're still hungry after you've filled up that healthy plate, go back for more vegetables. You can always go back for more vegetables, unlimited. Let me know if you have any questions about that. And if you have any different questions, I'd be more than happy to answer them for you. Have a great day. Bye.